So as of yesterday, right, I posted a video and I was asking how long you had your natural hair or your relaxed hair, and some people commented. So I got this particular comment, saying that, oh, she has not seen a visible difference in years, which is quite understandable because so many people don't know the art of length retention. And that is why I told her that I would likely do a video, and yeah, I kept to my word. So first off, length retention is basically, retaining length. In literal terms, it means keeping a certain length. Do you understand? When you retain something, it means you are keeping it, right? So if, for instance, you're growing out like 1 inch per month, your hair is growing 1 inch per month, right? If you don't retain that 1 inch you're getting every month to give you 12 inches at the end of the year, you end up noticing that your hair is not moving from point A to point B. Like, it's just static. The growth seems static, right? The truth of the matter is your hair is growing, but you people don't know the art of length retention. For you to master the art of length retention, number one, you need to take cognizance of how you take down your protective style. So protective style is basically your mini braids, mini twist, African threading, and the rest. The way you take it down can either make or mar your length retention. When you want to take down your protective style, ensure that you work with moisture. That is, you spray water, you apply leave-in conditioner, and you can either apply oil or you can skip it. It is totally optional. But the basic ones are the water and your leave-in conditioner, in order for you to easily prevent hair breakage, because moisture will prevent breakage. Hair that is well moisturized has less tendency to break, so you need to keep your hair moisturized. And also, when you want to detangle your hair, start from the tip of your hair to the root of your hair. The tip to the root. Don't detangle from the root of your hair to the tip, because if you keep detangling like that, you are exposing your hair to more breakage, and the more your hair breaks, the more length that you lose and the less growth, visible growth, you would actually see. So the way you take down your protective style, the way you detangle your hair, would lead to length retention, or it could actually lead to the opposite. That means you will not see any visible length retention. So try to put these things in cognizance and try to do low manipulative hairstyle. If you want to retain length, don't prioritize doing hairstyles that will cause tension to your hair or your scalp. That is Ghana weaving or any form of tight hairstyles and the rest, or very, very tiny braids that when you are now trying to loosen it up, it will keep tangling and causing knots, and you will end up, yanking it off. You end up, cutting that part off and the rest. So you need to do hairstyles that when you are taking it down, it is easy. When you are installing it, it is easy, and your scalp and your hair is safe, right? So yeah, I hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next. Bye, guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.